Today Mike and I are going to be making stuffed peppers the Momma way. Here we go.
Hey everybody, I know we haven't done a lot of videos in a while, but we're back and we're going to be stronger. We are dressed like this because we are Ohioans.
I got short sleeve shirt on.
And it is very, 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 very cold outside.
It is.
So, hey, what we're doing today is I'm going to give you my wife's recipe for stuffed peppers. They are amazing, but she will not get in the video. So, you got us. So hang on.
Here we go.
Okay, everybody, the first step. Don't ever forget the stickers. They do not taste good in the meal. So what I like to do, and my wife doesn't agree with me, but we're trying. I cut this off about here. This is from years of cooking with Stouffer's. I would always use the whole thing. I try to get all the little stuff that'll bind it up. I give it a quick rinse. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I have boiling water, and I have salted this water. So what we're going to do is let them cook a little bit. Let them go. We're going to use this pan. Now what I want to do is a little secret for me, I hate cleaning pans after I use ground beef. I put pan release in there. Let's start heating this up. Okay.
Now we're going to prepare the ground beef. Mike's place in Kent, Ohio makes some of the greatest hamburgers around. So fortunately, we get to use that ground beef for these stuffed peppers. Now let's give it back to Mike for seasoning the ground beef.
So what I like to do is probably every bit of a good tablespoon pink salt, maybe a little bit more. And then I take a lot of fresh ground pepper. Okay, we're getting there. That's probably another half a tablespoon. And then I like little, if I can open this thing up, you know.
Childproof.
But I think, yeah, I do, I like about 1, 2.
All right.
And then little Tony Catchers I use on everything. I love this stuff. Just to give it some spice, okay?
Nice.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to add it into our peppers.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Got it.
Now that we have our seasoning in with our ground beef, we're going to start to cook the ground beef until it becomes a nice brown color. Now that the ground beef's cooked, Mike's going to take it and drain most of the fat. He's going to leave a little bit in there for our next steps. This is where we're going to actually add the 1 cup of pre-cooked rice. We're going to add 1 cup of water. And then we're going to actually add Lipton's 2.0 ounce dried onion soup mix. Now back to Mike.
Put in about a cup of water in here. But what you do is have to cook it down. See how there's not much liquid left anymore?
Yeah.
So we're about ready for the next process. Let's drain them pretty good.
Those were about 10 to 15 minutes, right?
Lord knows I don't want to get any water on my wife's floor. Oh my gosh. Folks, I hate wasting anything, so I love the coating as much as the peppers. So I'm just sticking all the leftover peppers around the pepper for more flavor. You guys notice the red peppers? I did them red because it is the season.
It is.
So what I love the red peppers because they are so freaking sweet. Very sweet. So I'm gonna really pack these bad boys. Oh, bad boy.
Bad boy.
How is bad boy?
Man, he's good.
That's good. No, you got to get him on the music more.
Yeah, get him on the music.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do? I don't want to waste anything, Doug. So everything is going in. Everything.
That looks good.
Yeah, we're cooking one big mess here.
Now Mike's going to take 1 can of tomato soup, Campbell's soup, and add 1 cup of water. He's going to take this and pour it over our peppers. Once this is complete, we're going to add some shredded cheese. He used Monterey Jack, but you can use any cheese you want. Now let's cook this thing. Mike's going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes.
Here you go. go, Doug. Okay, Doug, I hope you enjoy this.
All right, let me try this.
Remember, this is my wife's recipe.
All right, so let me get a little of this. You want somebody? You don't want none. All right. I'll tell you the honesty, the honest truth. What's going on here? It's really good.
I don't think I've ever seen
I like the
anything you
sweet.
don't like.
You know what? I like food, but I like what you were saying.
The sweet
The
pepper.
sweet.
Yep.
It makes it really good.
Well, thanks, Doug. This was
We
fun.
always make good food. I mean,
Amen.
if you made something bad, I'd tell you.
Yep. Well, remember, subscribe to Mike Kostensky, and you'll learn all the secrets of Mike's place.
Ooh.
And that one of the next videos is going to be my daughter Holly.
All right.
Peace, love, and chicken wings. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I've been making stuffed peppers and eating them for 50 years. And today I'm trying one from Mike Kostensky from Kent, who also owns Mike's Place. And actually this is my second one. This recipe is easy, simple, and delicious. So if you want a pepper that's easy to make, try this. Thanks, Mike. Very good. Delicious.